Collabora Online Calc spreadsheets offer a powerful find and replace feature. Starting from the Home tab, you can access features such as wildcards, regular expressions, similarity search, formatted display, entire cells, and more. Let's look at some of these. You can simply find cells containing, for example, apple. All relevant cells are found. To find only the word apple and nothing more, use the entire cell option. You can also find all cells where apple appears at the end using the wildcards option. Enter an asterisk at the start and you'll see all cells that end with apple. To find cells that start with apple as a separate word, we use regular expressions. The regular expression for a space and the carré character indicate the start of a cell. Click Find All, and you'll see all cells starting with apple. Now let's see how we can find numbers. First, we can search for the number 1234, and all cells containing that number will be highlighted. We can also find cells where the number is formatted with a separator, such as 1234. Additionally, if cells are formatted with separators, selecting Formatted Display will highlight these cells. As a final example, let's search for cells containing a currency sign. You can see that all cells with a currency symbol are identified. Now let's see how we can search within formulas. You can distinguish between values and formulas using the Values option under Other Options. For example, let's search for the value 12. We see two cells containing the number 12. Now let's search for 12 within formulas. The results include formulas that contain the number 12 directly, as well as the formulas where it's a part of a combined text reference, such as in cell B12. We also noticed that you can search within comments. Let's look for the word apple. Here it is. Now, let's look at replacing cell styles. For example, we have a sheet with two simple styles, one with a yellow background and another with a green background. Let's say we want to replace the green style. We select it and replace it with a nice blue C style. Click Replace All to apply the changes. That's all for today. Happy editing!